In 2009, Cristiano Ronaldo made a historic move that would solidify his place in football history. He joined Real Madrid for a record-breaking transfer fee of £80 million, making him the most expensive player in the world at the time. This transfer marked the beginning of what would become a legendary era in his career. Ronaldo wasn't just joining a new club. He was entering one of the most prestigious teams in the world, with high expectations resting on his shoulders. From the very first moment, Ronaldo showed why he was worth every penny. He became the team's top scorer almost immediately, breaking records left and right. His incredible performances on the field earned him recognition as one of the best players in the world, and his list of achievements grew rapidly. Whether it was scoring goals, providing assists, or leading his team to victory, Ronaldo consistently delivered on the biggest stages, becoming the heart of Real Madrid's success during his time there. However, Ronaldo's success wasn't just about his natural talent. It was about his relentless work ethic. While many players may have been content with the accolades they received, Ronaldo understood that talent alone wasn't enough to stay at the top. To maintain his place as one of the best, he had to outwork everyone else. He trained harder than anyone, spending countless hours perfecting his skills, fitness, and technique. He paid close attention to every detail of his lifestyle, his sleep, his diet, and his recovery, all to ensure that he could perform at his peak for as long as possible. Ronaldo's commitment to self-improvement was evident in every aspect of his life. He didn't just train during regular practice hours, he put in the extra work. Whether it was working on his free kicks, improving his speed, or developing his strength, he made sure that every part of his game was always evolving. He was always looking for ways to get better, even when he was already the best. Why do you think Ronaldo kept pushing himself even after achieving so much? Many people would have been satisfied with all that Ronaldo had already achieved. He had won numerous trophies, broken countless records, and earned worldwide recognition. But Ronaldo never rested on his laurels. He knew that complacency could be his downfall. For him, the drive to improve wasn't just about winning more trophies. It was about being the best version of himself. As he once said, "I don't want to be just another player. I want to be the best." This mindset kept him motivated even when the accolades were already piling up. He understood that true greatness isn't just about reaching the top. It's about staying there and constantly striving for improvement, no matter how successful you've become. He didn't view his achievements as the end of the road. Rather, he saw them as stepping stones to greater heights. Every new record he broke, every trophy he won, was just another chapter in his ongoing story of growth and excellence. Even when you're at the top, never stop improving. Always strive to be better than you were yesterday. Ronaldo's story reminds us that the journey to greatness doesn't stop once we've achieved success. Whether in sports, business, or life in general, it's easy to become complacent after reaching a certain level of success. But true champions like Ronaldo understand that staying at the top requires constant effort and improvement. Every day is an opportunity to get better, to push yourself further, and to evolve. Ronaldo's relentless pursuit of greatness teaches us that no matter how much we accomplish, there is always room for growth. There's always something new to learn, a new skill to master, or a new way to challenge ourselves. It's not about being satisfied with what you've already done. It's about using your success as a foundation to build something even greater. In life, it's easy to become comfortable once we reach a certain level of success. But the true path to mastery and fulfillment comes from continuous self-improvement. Like Ronaldo, we must embrace the mindset that success is a journey, not a destination. Even when we achieve great things, we should never stop striving to be better than we were yesterday. Whether you're an athlete, a student, a professional, or anyone pursuing a goal, always push yourself to grow, evolve, and become the best version of yourself. Because in the end, it's the commitment to constant improvement that separates the good from the truly great. His journey to becoming a legend is a powerful reminder that success is not a one-time achievement, but an ongoing process. Even when you've reached the top, there is always room to grow, learn, and evolve. Ronaldo's commitment to continuous improvement, despite already being at the pinnacle of his career, shows that true greatness lies in the pursuit of excellence, not in resting on past accomplishments. His story teaches us that the real challenge is not just achieving success, but maintaining it by always striving to be better than we were yesterday. Whether we're working towards personal goals, professional achievements, or even small daily improvements, we must adopt the mindset that success is a journey, not a destination. The moment we stop pushing ourselves to improve is the moment we start to plateau. So, just like Ronaldo, embrace the challenges, push past your limits, and keep improving. Every day offers a new opportunity to get closer to your fullest potential. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about consistently striving to be the best version of yourself. That is what makes the difference between those who achieve greatness and those who merely reach it. Now it's question time. Pause the video and write your answer in the comment section. So stay tuned for the next episode, where we'll dive deeper into his breakthrough moments and how he conquered the global stage. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring more inspiring stories to life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Stay inspired.